Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute notifications on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Click on the profile page on the top left corner. Now click on the settings option on the top right corner. Here you can see the notifications option. Click on it. Here you can choose what kind of notification you want to turn off. However, you cannot turn off your notifications permanently from here. You'll have to go to your actual settings. Now go to notifications option. Then click on app notifications. Here you can see the Snapchat app. Here you'll just have to toggle the button. And that is how you can mute notifications on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.